can connect to a server in any country, and to the websites you visit, you'll look like you're there. In the top bar, click into the Search All Locations, then search for a country. I'll search for the United Kingdom. And if you click it, you can see that you connect right away to the fastest server. Now, if I go back up here and search for United Kingdom again, you can also see there's a drop-down menu next to it. And if you click that to expand it, fastest server is the first option, but you can also choose between several different cities. In this case, Edinburgh, Glasgow, London, and Manchester. But just like that, my traffic is going through a server in the UK. And to any website I visit, I'm in the UK. The most common use of this by far is unblocking streaming. So let me show you what that looks like with Netflix. Connected to a UK server, I'm seeing the UK library. The shows and movies Netflix shows me are the ones available in the UK. It's the same account, same Netflix, but if I switch countries, the entire library changes. Back in NordVPN, let's go to the top and search for something dramatically different, like Japan. I'll just click Japan to connect to the fastest server, then return to Netflix. Here we'll refresh the page, and as I scroll through, you can see that we have a completely different set of shows, and now it shows me top 10 TV shows in Japan today instead of the UK. We now have a completely different set of shows because Netflix has different licensing deals in different countries, and it now thinks I'm watching from Japan. The same idea works for any region-locked website. Connect to a server in the country you want, and the website treats you like you're there. If you haven't grabbed the deal yet, use the link in the description below to get the best available price on NordVPN, with a 30-day money-back guarantee in case it's not for you. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe out there.